as you guys can see right now, we're leaving for school. It's currently 7:05, and we gotta let the car warm up for a little bit. So I'll catch y'all once I finish getting my water bottle. Alright, as you guys see right now, we're at my breakfast place, Starbucks. I am freaking starving. And I'm too lazy to make breakfast, so I just literally stop here every single freaking morning before school. And as you guys can see, my school is literally like right there.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. My name's Katie. What's your name?
Hi, it's a mobile for Frederick.
Awesome. Vehicle 4, thank you.
Thank you. Boom, just like that. 3 seconds. And then we just wait. And turn the tunes back on. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all think about the music. Oh, Tesla is falling. As you guys see right now, we have a little gap on Tesla. Oh my gosh, why is the thing doing that right now? Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys can see right now, we have a gap on Tesla. It went up this morning to 406. I did a quick scalp and I made 200 bucks on that, right? And then I sold, I got peak sell right there at the top. And then as soon as I sold, it just started fucking dumping. And then as you can see right now, I'm pretty sure it's about to go down to 388 to fill that little gap. As you guys can see, it gapped up and I'm pretty sure it's about to go down and then fill that gap. So, and then on top of that, I also do have my, bro, what the heck? I also do have my clothing brand. So far, we were at what? Almost 300 bucks so far in the morning and it's only 7:18. So, yeah. We're doing pretty good, pretty good. Wait, bro, I was literally like packaging orders last night and this shit came on. I fuck with this music for real. Like you do it, like you fly, like you do it, like you wanna. Alright guys, come on. Yeah.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Don't post me though.
I got you, I'll cut it out. Thank you. Alright, bet. Gotta get that POV, that morning POV. What was that, glass? Fuck, am I running over glass right now? Gulp. You belong to me. I belong to you. Fire from your heart. Burning just for you. When you fall away, I'm in love with you. Feelings are so high. Working like you. You belong to me. I belong to you. Fire from my heart. Burning just for you. When you fall away, I'm in love with you. Feelings are so high. Walking like you. About the, I already know this song. We're low-key about to run back this song I played earlier. That's not it. Wait, is this it? Yeah. Bro, I love this song. So I'm about to spam it. Alright, ready guys?